Combinational logic design using MSIG. Unit number 2. The topic is circuit design using comparator. So first, data comparison is needed in digital system while performing arithmetic or logical operation. This comparison determines whether one number is greater than, equal or less than the other number. A digital comparator is widely used in combinational system and is specially designed to compare the relative magnitude of binary number. These are also available in ICs from different bit comparison configuration such as 4-bit, 8-bit comparison. More than one comparator can also be connected in cascade arrangement to perform comparison of number of longer lamp. Whenever we want to compare two binary numbers, first we have to compare the most significant bit. If this MSB bit are equal, then only we need to compare with the next significant bit. But if MSB bit are not equal, then it could be clear that either A is greater than or equal to or less than B, and the process of comparison. See, first thing is what? In the unit number 2, combinational logic design. So, and the point is circuit design using the comparator. So first thing I will clear, the combinational circuit depends only on present input. So one of the best example is a comparator. We know that whenever you compare the two numbers, we can assume the first number is A and second number is B. In that case, what is the probability? So A may be greater than B, B may be greater than A, or third is A may be equal to B. So here A we are saying only single digit. So instead of that, if you are saying that it's converted into the binary, means A will be represented in the 4-bit representation of that number, and B is again the representation of 4-bit binary number. In that case, you have to compare the MSB bit of both one, and according to that, if MSB bit not equal, okay, in that case it will be clear that A is greater than or less than B. If MSB bit is unequal, then we can go into the next bit. Like this one, we can move up to the LSB bit. It is nothing but a comparison. It is nothing but a comparator. See, for example, the 2-bit number are A, A1, A0, B, B1, B0. If A1 is not equal to B1, then it is clear that A is greater than B, for A1 is equal to 1 and B1 is equal to 0. Or else A is less than B, for A0 is 0 and B0 is equal to 1. So this A0 and this B0 is nothing but your MSB bit. It is nothing but your MSB bit. So at this stage, the process of comparison ceases. If MSB bit are equal, A1 is equal to B1, only then we need to compare the next significant bit, A0 and B0, and decide whether the number is greater than, less than or equal. So the comparator produces 3 output, L, E and G. corresponding to less than, L for less than, equal to E, and G for greater than the comparator. See the digital comparator. A magnitude comparator is a combinational circuit that compares two digits or binary number, consider A and B, and determines their relative magnitudes in order to find out whether one number is equal, less than, or greater than the other digital number. Three binary variables are used to indicate the outcomes of the comparator as A greater than B, A less than B, or A equal to B. The below figure shows the block diagram of n-bit comparator which compares the two numbers of n-bit length and generates their relation between themselves. See, this is a diagram of n-bit magnitude comparator. A, B inputs. So A may be greater than B, A may be equal to B, or A less than B. And these are the outputs. Expected is, so step of 3 outputs. At one time, only one of the output is added. These comparators can compare 2-bit, 4-bit, and 8-bit numbers depending on the application requirements. These are available in the TTL as well as CMOS logic memory ICs, and some of these IC include IC 7485 4-bit comparator, IC 4585 4-bit comparator in CMOS IC, and IC 74AS 885 as 8-bit comparator. Okay, so these are the different ICs are available, and whenever we are implemented, by referring the data sheet, we design that circuit and we are comparing the numbers. Okay, so in the next lecture, we will see the 2-bit comparator, and next is 4.